There are moments when your body seems to have developed a mind of its own. Your legs feel weightier than before. Rising from a chair requires more deliberate effort. Carrying grocery bags becomes unexpectedly taxing compared to how it used to feel. You remain the same person, yet something within has shifted quietly, almost imperceptibly. This subtle transformation has a medical term, sarcopenia. Medical professionals use this word to describe the gradual muscle deterioration that accompanies aging. But here's what often goes unmentioned. This process isn't solely triggered by advancing years. It accelerates when your body lacks proper nourishment and daily support. The encouraging truth? You don't require expensive gym memberships, protein supplements, or rigid exercise regimens. Some of nature's most effective defenders against muscle deterioration are likely sitting in your kitchen right now. Yes, ordinary fruits. Natural, accessible, and remarkably potent at helping you maintain strength, mobility, and independence well beyond your 70s. In this discussion, I'll reveal 5 remarkable fruits that silently combat muscle loss, while helping you build strength naturally, one small portion at a time. These aren't exotic, costly superfoods. They're common, affordable fruits with benefits supported by genuine scientific research and real experiences. I'll share this. The fruit I'll discuss first might astonish you. It's not unusual or rare. You've likely encountered it throughout your entire life without realizing how profoundly it supports your muscles, energy levels, and recovery. Stay with me until the conclusion, because understanding which fruits help and why they're significant could transform how you move, feel, and age. Let's begin with something gentle, familiar, and reassuring. The banana. You've likely consumed hundreds of bananas without much consideration, but beneath that smooth texture lies one of the most supportive fruits for aging muscles. It might not appear like a superfood, but for individuals over 60, the banana serves as a silent protector of everyday strength. As we mature, our muscles don't merely shrink. They become increasingly sensitive to minor imbalances. Factors like insufficient potassium, poor post-activity recovery, or even hidden inflammation can gradually weaken them. Bananas remarkably address all 3 concerns. They're abundant in potassium, a mineral your muscles absolutely require for proper contraction and relaxation. When potassium levels drop, your legs might feel heavy, your balance somewhat unsteady, or those bothersome nighttime cramps may return. One medium banana provides approximately 400 milligrams of potassium, precisely enough to maintain smooth muscle function. But potassium represents only part of the story. Bananas also supply vitamin B6, which assists your body in processing protein, converting what you consume into the building blocks your muscles need. Many older adults don't obtain sufficient B6, meaning their bodies can't utilize protein effectively even when consuming adequate amounts. This is why incorporating banana into a protein-rich breakfast can significantly impact how your body uses nutrients. I understand some of you might wonder, aren't bananas too high in sugar for me? That's a reasonable concern, especially if you're monitoring blood sugar levels. Here's the reality. When bananas are slightly green or just yellow, not overripe, they rank lower on the glycemic scale. When you pair them with healthy fats or protein like walnuts or nut butter, the sugar enters your bloodstream gradually and steadily. One woman I encountered, she's 71 and still walks every morning, told me she began eating half a banana with almonds before her walks. I didn't modify anything else, she explained, but I stopped feeling exhausted halfway through. It provided just enough energy to continue. That's precisely what bananas accomplish. They're not meant to be flashy or dramatic. They support your muscles quietly. with energy, minerals, and nutrients that help your body function better. Additionally, bananas benefit gut health. Their natural fibers aid digestion, and the resistant starch in less ripe bananas nourishes beneficial gut bacteria. Additionally, bananas benefit gut health. Their natural fibers aid digestion, and the resistant starch in less ripe bananas nourishes beneficial gut bacteria. When your gut is healthy, you absorb nutrients more efficiently, ensuring your muscles receive more of what they need. How can you use bananas advantageously? It's simple. Slice half a banana into your morning oatmeal. Blend one into a smoothie with soy milk, or simply enjoy it mid-afternoon when you need natural energy. The key isn't just eating it, it's making it part of a habit that supports your strength. A banana daily won't rebuild all your muscle overnight, but over time, it can quietly support what matters: your energy, balance, and ability to keep moving forward without hesitation. The blueberry. Now let's discuss a fruit that's tiny, deep in color, and bursting with healing potential. The blueberry may be small, but don't underestimate it. Regarding protecting your muscles, joints, and overall mobility, this little berry performs far beyond its size. One of the most significant hidden threats to our muscles as we age is something invisible and initially unfelt: inflammation. It develops slowly, making muscles feel stiff, joints ache more than usual, and recovery take longer after even gentle movement. Over time, chronic inflammation erodes muscle fibers and makes staying active more difficult. This is where blueberries excel. What makes them exceptional is their rich concentration of anthocyanins, the same compounds responsible for their deep blue-purple color. These natural antioxidants combat inflammation and oxidative stress, helping protect your muscles at the cellular level. Research demonstrates that older adults who consume blueberries regularly experience enhanced mobility, stronger leg function, and improved balance. I recall a wonderful gentleman named James, 74 years old and recovering from hip surgery. He told me he started adding blueberries to his breakfast after learning about their anti-inflammatory properties. "It's the only modification I made," he said, "but within a few weeks I could walk longer without experiencing that deep muscle soreness in my thighs." He smiled and added, "It feels like my legs are working with me again." Beyond muscle recovery, blueberries also support insulin sensitivity, your body's ability to process sugar properly. This is crucial for anyone managing type 2 diabetes or prediabetes. When your insulin functions well, the nutrients you consume, especially carbohydrates and protein, are delivered to your muscle cells more effectively. This means better fuel, improved repair, and reduced fatigue. The bonus? Blueberries are naturally low in sugar. You don't need to worry about blood sugar spikes, especially when eating them as part of a balanced meal: a handful with oatmeal, a few mixed into unsweetened yogurt, or blended into a morning smoothie. They integrate beautifully without overwhelming your system. Some people freeze them and enjoy them as cool, bite-sized treats. They're simple, accessible, and safe, even for those monitoring glucose levels or managing heart conditions. Perhaps the most powerful aspect of blueberries is that they don't merely fight damage, they support repair. They encourage your body to recover faster after movement. Whether you've done light stretching, walked the dog, or worked in the garden, blueberries help your muscles bounce back with less soreness, reduced swelling, and increased strength over time. If you're seeking a gentle yet powerful way to support your muscles, reduce inflammation, and stay active, this little berry could become your new best friend. The papaya. Now let's explore something softer, warmer, and often overlooked: the papaya. It's sweet, soothing, and practically melts in your mouth. But its true strength lies beneath the surface, especially regarding supporting digestion and helping your muscles absorb what they need to grow and heal. As we age, our digestion naturally slows. The body doesn't break down protein as easily, meaning fewer amino acids are available for muscle repair. You might be eating well, even adding more protein to your meals, but if your body can't process it efficiently, your muscles still suffer. This is where papaya becomes your quiet ally. It contains a special enzyme called papain, which acts like an assistant in your stomach, breaking down proteins so your body can absorb them better. It's like providing your digestive system gentle assistance, one that becomes increasingly valuable with age. But papaya's benefits don't stop there. It's rich in vitamin C, which plays a vital role in muscle repair. Vitamin C helps your body produce collagen, a key component of your muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Without sufficient amounts, your muscles may feel weaker and your joints stiffer. Papaya contains even more vitamin C than oranges, making it an excellent daily source for older adults who want to remain flexible and mobile. There's also beta-carotene and lycopene, natural compounds that give papaya its vibrant orange-pink color. These function as antioxidants, fighting free radicals and inflammation that contribute to muscle breakdown. Some studies have shown that fermented papaya extract reduced inflammation markers in older adults, improving both energy and digestion. A woman named Anita, 69 years old and struggling with bloating and fatigue, shared her experience with me. "I didn't think much of papaya," she said, "but I started having a small bowl after lunch each day. After about a week, my stomach felt lighter and I wasn't as stiff getting up from my chair. Sometimes it's not about doing more, it's about helping the body do what it's meant to, just a little better." Papaya is also naturally low in sugar, high in water, and gentle on the stomach, making it an ideal evening snack or light breakfast addition. If you're managing blood sugar, it's safe in moderate portions. Its fiber helps slow digestion, and its anti-inflammatory properties support both gut health and blood sugar balance. How can you incorporate papaya into your routine? Keep it simple. A few slices with breakfast, a soft bowl in the afternoon, or blend it into a smoothie with soy milk or yogurt. It doesn't need to be elaborate. What matters is consistency, giving your body that extra boost to break down and absorb what it needs. Papaya isn't loud or dramatic, but its support is felt in your stomach, joints, and over time in the strength you begin to feel again. The guava. Now let's discuss a fruit that often remains unnoticed, the guava. It doesn't always make headlines like berries or avocado, but for seniors, this firm, fragrant fruit is one of nature's most powerful muscle supporters. The real secret lies in one thing: vitamin C. Most people associate it with immunity, but what many don't realize is that vitamin C plays a critical role in protecting and rebuilding muscle. It helps your body produce collagen, the structural protein that holds your muscles, tendons, and joints together. Here's where guava stands out. It contains 4 to 5 times more vitamin C than an orange. Just one medium guava can provide more than 250% of your daily needs in the most natural, whole food form. But vitamin C isn't just about collagen. It's also a powerful antioxidant. And antioxidants are the frontline defense against muscle damage caused by oxidative stress, a process that accelerates with age. When your muscles are under constant low-grade stress, they break down more easily, and sarcopenia advances quietly. Guava helps neutralize this process and supports your body's ability to heal. There's more. Guava also contains potassium and fiber, both supporting overall mobility and metabolic health. Potassium assists with muscle contraction and coordination, while fiber keeps digestion steady, helping your body absorb more nutrients from the foods you eat. A man named Ravi, 72, once told me guava became part of his retirement recovery routine. Every morning after his walk, he'd slice fresh guava and eat it with salt and chili, the way he'd enjoyed it as a child. I didn't think much of it, he said, but after a few weeks, my knees didn't feel as stiff, and my balance improved. It wasn't magic. It was just something real. What's also reassuring is that guava is diabetic-friendly. Despite its mild sweetness, it has a low glycemic index, meaning it won't spike blood sugar. Its antioxidants, especially lycopene, have shown benefits for heart health, reducing blood pressure, and improving circulation, essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to muscle tissue. How can you bring guava into your life? Fresh is best. Eat it raw, sliced with the peel on. That's where many nutrients hide. You can also add it to smoothies or chop it into fruit salad. If fresh isn't available, unsweetened guava juice in small amounts is a good alternative. In the world of muscle health, guava may not wear a cape, but it certainly works like a hero, quietly, consistently, with every bite. The date. We've saved something sweet and powerful for last, a fruit that not only provides quick energy, but also calms inflammation and helps fuel tired muscles without spiking blood sugar. Let's discuss the often misunderstood date. Small, wrinkled, naturally sweet. You might think of them as festive treats or holiday indulgences. But if you're over 60 and trying to stay strong, dates can quietly become one of your most powerful allies. Let's start with what most people notice first: energy. As we age, it's common to feel more drained, especially after light activity. Climbing stairs, gardening, or just taking a walk may leave you feeling like you need to rest. This is partly due to your muscles not recovering the way they used to. This is where dates help. Dates are rich in natural sugars, yes, but they're also packed with fiber, which slows how that sugar is absorbed. This means a few dates can provide gentle, sustained energy without spiking blood sugar. Studies have shown that dates have a low to moderate glycemic index, making them safer than most people assume, even for those managing type 2 diabetes when eaten in moderation. But dates offer much more than sweetness. They're loaded with potassium and magnesium, two minerals that support healthy muscle contractions and reduce cramps. If you've experienced aching calves at night or felt your legs give out more quickly than they used to, low potassium could be contributing. Just a couple of dates can help replenish those stores, especially after physical activity. Even more impressive, dates are incredibly rich in antioxidants, especially flavonoids and phenolic acids, which help calm inflammation and reduce oxidative stress. These antioxidants help protect your muscle cells and even support your heart, brain, and immune system. There was a gentleman I spoke with, 70 years old, who told me he started having 2 dates after his morning walk, along with a handful of nuts. He said, "It keeps me from crashing in the afternoon, and strangely, my knees don't ache as much." It wasn't a miracle, just steady, natural support his body could actually use. Another reason dates are senior-friendly. They're soft, easy to chew, and don't require fancy preparation. No knives, no blenders, just unwrap and enjoy. That simplicity makes them perfect for those who want nutrition that's both convenient and kind to the body. Moderation matters. Dates are dense in calories and sugar, so 2 to 3 daily is plenty. Combine them with protein like almonds or cheese, and you've got a muscle-loving, blood sugar-friendly snack that truly supports recovery. If you're looking for a way to fuel your muscles, reduce soreness, and get through the day without that afternoon slump, Dates might be your new favorite habit, your natural path to strength. So now you've met them. 5 simple fruits, each with their own quiet strength. Not pills, not powders, just gifts from nature that support your body in ways you may not have expected. They don't promise miracles, but they offer something equally powerful: support. You can feel a little more strength in your legs, a little less soreness in the morning, a little more confidence when you move through your day. The best part? You don't have to change your whole life. You don't need to follow a strict diet or abandon everything you love. You only need to begin with one small addition at a time. A banana in your morning oats, a few blueberries with your yogurt, a slice of papaya after lunch, half a guava in the afternoon sun, 2 dates before your evening walk. These aren't just fruits. They're small acts of care, little messages to your body that say, I'm still here. I still want to feel strong. I still want to live well. If you've ever felt discouraged, if your knees ache or your strength feels like it's fading, let this be a gentle reminder. Your body can still respond. It's never too late to nourish it. Never too late to feel better than yesterday. You don't need to do everything at once. Just one small habit, done with care, done with consistency, can bring quiet transformation. If this information gave you something helpful, a new idea, a bit of hope, I'd love to hear about it. What fruit will you start with? What change do you hope to feel? And if you'd like more warm, simple tips like this, things that make growing older feel a little easier and a lot more empowering, don't forget to engage with content like this from Health Wisdom. We're here to walk with you, one small choice at a time. Until next time, stay strong, stay kind to your body, and never forget, you still have so much strength left in you.